Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market.
Okay, so guys, in this video, I'll be talking about how you can pick a good stock for intraday trading. Okay, a stock which will give you a good movement throughout the day so that you can get your trades done. Okay, so it's not like you buy a stock at 9:15 and you exit the trade at 3 o'clock or 3:15 like that. So I'll be telling you like a stock which will give you a good movement to book almost like 1% or 2% of a target and exit. Okay, and a stock movement which will be very good. So I'll be telling you like a good trick and good tip how you can pick a good movement stock and get your trades done in intraday trading. Okay, it's not like you have to pick a particular stock, but I'll be telling you what are the criteria it should match so that you can pick stock like this kind of things and book a profit according to that. Okay, so I'll be telling you the technique in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding selecting a correct stock for intraday trading. So guys, if you come to NSE India, there's a lot of stocks as you guys can see in this website, but how to select one particular stock so that it will give you a good profit and which you can do your trade easily. So guys, remember, even if you have a good trading strategy and if you miss to pick a correct stock, then you make a loss. Okay, even if you are very good at picking a correct stock and if you're not having a good strategy, then also you will be not able to make good profit. So you will be stuck between this. Okay, so in this video I'll be telling you how to pick a stock also, and also I'll be telling you one simple strategy and you can follow any of your strategy if you want. Okay, but in this particular video I'll be telling you about selecting a good stock for the day. Okay, so let's get started, and before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Okay, and also if you're new to a stock market and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading and want to recover your losses and want to stop your losses from today, you can join my course now. Okay, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also you can visit my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in, to know all the details. Okay, so guys, there is a offer from Upstock where you can earn interest when you open your trading account. So you can open your free trading account by clicking on the link in the description below of this video. So there's a little bit of advantages what you get here, that is you get zero balance saving account which is powered by Indus India Bank, and you get brokerage credit up to 500 rupees, and you can earn up to 6% interest on your trading account balance. So whatever balance you maintain, you get up to 6% on that. And there's a smart transfer features to skip transfers between your saving and trading account. Okay, and also once you open your Upstock account by using my link in the description below of this video, you'll be added to my Telegram channel. Lot of news on stock market and also some interesting fact about stock market where I'll be sharing with you guys. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you how you can pick a good stock for intraday trading. Okay, you don't need any scanner. This is a very simple trick. Okay, so just come to NSE India website and here just click on most active, and once you click on most active, you should select the stock from most active value. Okay, you can see two columns here, that is most active volume and value. So you have to pick it from most active value. Okay, and here what you have to do is you have to select a stock which is having a percentage change of more than 1%. Okay, more than 1 or more than 1.5%, and stock price being above 150 rupees. Okay, so these are our criteria which it should match to select a stock. Okay, that is pick a stock from most active, from the most value. Okay, most active by value stocks, and percentage should be more than 1 or 1.5% above, and stock price should be above 150 rupees. Okay, so if these criteria are matching, that means a stock will have a good movement. Got it? And now after you select a stock, I'll tell you a simple strategy. Okay, you can follow any of your strategy even if you have. Okay, so now let me tell you one simple strategy. I'm using 30 minutes candlestick for this. Now what you have to do is you have to just mark. Okay, So yeah, you have to just mark the first 30 minutes candle high and low. And now what you have to do is, if the high breaks, you will buy the stock, and if the low breaks, you will short sell the stock. Okay, now as you guys can see here, easily the high isn't broken, so low got triggered. And if you have short sold around 331.3 is a low, so if you short sold here, stock went all the way down till 320. Okay, so you would have achieved more than 2 to 3% target here itself. Okay, but don't keep a highest target like this in intraday trading. If you are able to achieve 1% or more than 1%, that will be more enough. Okay, keep 1% target and 0.5% stop loss, like 1:2 risk reward ratio, and follow the discipline in intraday trading to make consistent profit. Okay, so this is just an example strategy which I said you. If you have any other strategy, okay, as I said you, in intraday trading, even if you have a good trading strategy and if you pick a wrong stock, then you will not be able to make consistent profit. And even if you pick a very good stock and if you make a wrong entry, or if you have a wrong strategy, you can't make a profit. Okay, you need to have both the thing, that is a good strategy and also to pick a correct stock in a day. Okay, so if you have these two things, then you will be able to make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, and also one more thing, whenever you select the stock from most active, just make sure you check out the beta value of the stock. That is, you can check it by go to more option here and come to fundamental and check the beta value. So beta value should be above 1 point. Okay, so this is Tata Motors and this is having 1.85. So yes, it is eligible for our stock picking selection which I said. So you can select the stock. So now let's see the other stocks, that is SBIN. So first check the fundamental. Yes, 1.49 is a beta, it is okay for our picking. So let's see how the SBIN has performed according to that simple strategy which I showed you now. Yes, 30 minutes candle, and yeah, here is a high of a candle and low of a candle. Okay, and if you guys can see, high didn't get broke, so low has got broken. As you can see here, low of the stock has been got broken. 386 is a low, and if you short sold around 386, it came almost around 381.05 here, and at the end of the day, it's almost like 378.1 is a low which has made on the day. Okay, so this is how you can trade by using this strategy. Okay, this is just an example which I'm giving, and as you guys can see here, by using this thing, like most active stocks, if you see, whole day the stock is given an movement. It's not like it has given movement in the morning and stuck in all the day. It's not like that. You can see whole day the stock is giving a movement, whether it's upside or downside, the stock is volatile for the whole day. So that's the main advantage when you pick a stock from most active list. Okay, even this stock also, even SBI also, if you guys can see, it's fully active. Even if it's falling down or going up, it's not range bound or something, it is fully active. So that's the main key of picking the stock from most active. Okay, and now let's see Wipro. So guys, whatever stock I'm showing you, I have picked it from this most active list itself. Okay, that is Tata Steel, which is having more than 1.5% change. SBI is also having more than 1.5% change, and Wipro and Reliance I have not selected because as you can see, it's only 0.06% change. Okay, Wipro 3.83%, so we'll select it. So yes, same thing again, if you guys can observe. So 30 minutes candle, first 30 minutes candle high and low marked, and low got broke, and as you can see here also the target has been achieved. Okay, so the low was almost like 4 to 5.85, and the stock made the lowest of 417.15. So yes, easily if you keep a 1% target, it will be achieved. Okay, so you should not be greedy when doing intraday trading. You should follow your discipline strictly to be safe. Okay, so keep 1% target and 0.5% stop loss, and if you want to pick more quick profits, then keep 0.5% target. That will be easily booked profit. Okay, so guys, this is a little trick and tips about picking a stock for intraday trading. Yes, of course, there's a lot of other ways for picking a stock from intraday, and also there's a lot of other screeners, scanners, and lot many things in intraday trading to pick the stock. But yes, this is one of a very simple and powerful way to pick a correct stock. Okay, and whatever stock you're picking, you will get a moment for the whole day. So when even in your middle of the day, if you want to enter the market according to your any of your strategy, you can still do it. Okay, so this is a powerful stocks which you can pick from most active by value. Okay, so this is a little trick what I wanted to share in this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also subscribe to my channel to get more knowledge and information like this. Okay, and also you can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips on a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.